To my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make delicious beef and vegetable stir fry. This stir fry is so delicious and easy to make. Stay tuned and find out how I make this. Make this stir fry, I'll first season the beef. A tablespoon of soy sauce. Add stock cube. Egg, this is optional. Add white pepper powder. Black pepper powder. Then a tablespoon of corn flour. Flour helps to give the beef a great texture while stir frying. Then I'll mix to combine. Listen, I will set aside and allow it to marinate for about 40 minutes. The veggies, I like to grate my ginger to cut it into smaller pieces. After grating the ginger, I will set it aside. The spring onion. In 3 different colors of bell peppers. Bell pepper into half. I will remove the seed. The seed. I'll cut the green bell pepper into my desired shape. The red bell pepper. Also cut the yellow bell pepper. Don't cut in, I will set them aside. Slice the onion. I'll be cutting the garlic into smaller pieces. I will slice the green chili pepper. I will cut the carrot into my desired shape. I like using this cutter because it gives the carrots a nice design. Cut the cauliflower. Be using blanching method because it helps the vegetables to retain their bright colors and crunchy. Pan, I already have a boiling water, so I'll add some salt. Then I'll add the cut vegetables into the boiling water. Stir and allow it to stay for about 30 seconds. Then I will quickly sieve and use cold water to stop the cooking process. side to drain out the excess water. Preheated pan, I'll be adding about 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll add the beef into the oil and allow it to fry. Frying the beef on a medium heat so that it will cook properly. And allow the beef to fry on both sides. When I notice that the beef is well cooked, I will turn off the heat and set it aside. To make the thickener, I will dissolve a tablespoon of corn flour in a water. I will add a tablespoon of white pepper powder. This is optional. I'll be adding soy sauce. I'll be adding oyster sauce. When I'm done adding, I'll stir everything together. Lastly, I'll also add chili pepper. This is optional. Adding some oil into a preheated pan. Then I'll add the garlic and ginger and stir fry for about 5 seconds. I'll also add the sliced onion and stir fry for about 10 seconds. I will add the sliced bell peppers and chili peppers. Then I'll stir. While still stirring, I will add the fried beef. Still stirring, I will pour in the thickener into the beef before I will add the blanched vegetable. It will help to thicken the sauce. Then finally, I will add the blanched vegetables. I will stir so that everything will mix together. I will mix it properly and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes because I don't want to overcook the vegetables. After about 2 minutes, you will notice that it has thickened. I will turn off the heat. Finally, the delicious beef and vegetable stir fry is ready. I'll be enjoying it with boiled white rice. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.